In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the CX series. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Use the provided drain brush to clean out the internal drain line. Clear out the external drain line. Reconnect drain line and fitting when completed. Remove the 4 screws and access panel from the side of the unit. Check the drain pan, drain line, coil, and other areas of moisture accumulation for visible signs of biological growth. Perform condensate drain tests to verify proper drainage. Remove excess water out of internal drain pan after condensate drain test has been performed. Use a rag to wipe and clean the internal drain pan. Insert provided pan tablets into the drip tray. Reinstall access panel. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check PB1 temperature. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels.